Hi traders, this is lesson 1 of the Pro Traders Workshop, and we're going to be going over the 1-hour scalp system. Very simple, straightforward technique. And let me just start. So what I'm looking for first is two or more candles of the same color. So let's look at this chart here on pound yen. Notice here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles, right? Followed by a green candle. That's my buy trigger right there, that green candle. My entry is the next candle, so I need to wait till price. Let me just make this bigger so it'll be easier to explain. So I put a horizontal line on top of that candle. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles followed by a green candle. That's my buy signal, buy trigger rather. And I enter a trade when price closes above the body of this candle. Now, I look for anywhere between 10 to 50 pips. Let's see how many pips this rally before it turned red. About 59 pips. Okay, so let's write that down. So that was 59 pips. From the swing low to the swing high. Okay, one trade. Let's go find another one. Here we had 1, 2, 3 red candles, followed by a green candle. But notice the next candle has not broken this candle yet. I need to change the color so everyone can see. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 red candles, consecutive red candles, followed by a green candle. That's my buy trigger. Now I can't take a trade yet because I need a candle to close above. So this candle sold off. So we're still not in the trade until this one. See how this candle closed above? And then it rallied. So you take your trade on this candle, put in about 70 pips before it turned around and headed the other way. Okay, so let's do some more examples. Okay, so you only need 2 or more candles of the same color. Now this one did not work out because we had 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles followed by a green candle, and this one failed. So this is not going to be 100% accurate. And that candle did not, that one, because first of all, we're in a downtrend. So you want to be taking trades in the direction of the overall trend. And of course, that trade would have not worked out. Let's go back and see if there's anything else. Now, here's a trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles consecutive, followed by a green candle, right? And then we need a candle to close above that green candle. We need, see that the body of this candle? We need a candle to close above that. And there it is, right there. There's the candle closed. And that put in about 40 pips. Now, the stop loss is always going to be below the trigger candle, which is this candle here. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, 5 consecutive red candles followed by a green candle. That's our trigger. That's our alert. And you take a trade, you draw a horizontal line on top of this candle there. right there. Sorry. And then you take your trade when it closes and you enter on this candle about 40 pips. Let's look at some other pairs. Aussie yen. Again, we're looking for 2 or more consecutive candles of the same color. So there's 1 here, 2, 3 red candles, followed by our buy signal or trigger, a green candle. Draw a horizontal line above the body of that candle. And when this candle closes, you take your trade on the next candle. Your stop loss is below that trigger candle. And that gave us a nice rally of what? So far, 36 pips. Okay. So that's our first lesson. It just gives you an introduction to the 1 hour scalp system. We will go over this in the workshop. If you have any questions, just email me. Our next lesson will be on candlestick patterns.